Transformer. Description: a type of deep learning model architecture designed for processing sequential data such as natural language. Components. Encoder. Description: encodes input sequences into contextualized representations. Layers. Encoder layer 1. Num heads. 8 number of attention heads in the first encoder layer. Feed-forward dimension. 2048 dimensionality of the feed-forward layer. Activation function. ReLU activation function for feed-forward layer. Dropout. 0.1 dropout rate for regularization. Decoder. Description: generates output sequences based on encoded representations. Layers. Decoder layer 1. Num heads. 8 number of attention heads in the first decoder layer. Feed-forward dimension. 2048 dimensionality of the feed-forward layer. Activation function. ReLU activation function for feed-forward layer. Dropout. 0.1 dropout rate for regularization. Output layer. Description: produces the final output sequence. Units. 10,000 vocabulary size e.g. for language models. Activation function. Softmax activation function for output, typically softmax for multi-class classification. Training parameters. Optimizer. Adam optimization algorithm. Learning rate. 0.0001 learning rate for gradient descent. Loss function. Sparse categorical cross-entropy loss function for multi-class classification tasks. Epochs. 20 number of training epochs. Batch size. 64 batch size for mini-batch gradient descent.